Greatly appreciate those who have already subscribed to my channel, and those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of my new videos. Let's start with today's topic. To become successful in any area of life, we need to add traits of success in our personality. So first, let's pen down which traits are needed to become successful in life. Traits that are needed are determination, persistence, accurate risk-taking, balanced planning and execution, pen stop and confidence. All these traits put together in single person becomes formula for success. Let's first see persistence with graphology. Persistence is a continuous course of action towards desired goal in spite of difficulty or opposition. Whenever in any alphabets there is an anti-clockwise knot, then that's persistence against all odds. Image here shows the example of persistence in handwriting. Now let's see accurate risk-taking with graphology. While writing on paper, if a person leaves more space on right side of page, then that's accurate risk-taking. If a person leaves more space than needed, what I mean here is in spite of having enough space for the word to be written in same line, but the writer takes the word in next line. This type of writers play extra safe and they might be missing out on opportunities. Then comes the other types of writers who are not able to judge spacing right. They think that thus enough space, but while writing they realize that space is not enough, as a result of which they write handwriting is crushed in the end.
If this found too many times on page, then writer is prone to accidents. Have a look at image to understand crushed margins and extra safe playing margins and accurate risk-taking margins. Now let's see confidence with graphology. Person has to be confident enough to feel that he or she can achieve success in desired field. Being confident is first step to reach any goals. Please check the description to see video on confidence. Now let's check determination with graphology. Determination is necessary to stick to any goals. Check the description for determination video. Next comes planning and execution with graphology. To become successful in any area of life, one needs to plan well and should be able to execute the same properly. Check the video in description to know more about planning and execution with graphology. Last but not the least is pen stop. One need to have same level of energy and enthusiasm from start till end to achieve any goals. To know what is pen stop, check the link in description. Do like, share and comment on my videos if you enjoy watching my videos. To get done detailed analysis, contact avankarek1985@gmail.com.